If you're curious about Minimax AI video generator and whether it's the best just released AI software, you're in the right place. In this review, we'll cover the 7 crucial things you need to know before jumping in, especially if you're new to this powerful tool. First off, Minimax AI video generator is a game changer. It allows users to generate high-quality, engaging video content in minutes, using the power of AI. But is it really as good as it sounds? Stick around to find out. The software has a simple yet effective interface that allows anyone, regardless of their tech skill, to create professional-looking videos. Whether you're looking to make explainer videos, marketing content, or even video ads, this tool has got you covered. Its intuitive design is a major selling point, as you don't need any prior video editing experience to produce something impressive. Another key feature of Minimax AI video generator is its ability to turn text into video. This is ideal for marketers, content creators, and businesses that need to produce videos fast. The AI analyzes your text and automatically converts it into relevant visuals, making the whole process effortless. You just input your script, and within seconds you get a polished video ready for distribution. Now, let's talk about customization. Minimax allows you to tweak the output with a range of styles, color schemes, and templates, giving you the flexibility to personalize videos to match your brand's tone and style. Whether you're creating educational content, product demos, or even social media clips, you can mold the AI-generated videos to meet your specific needs. One thing to note, however, is that while the software is powerful, it's not perfect. There are still some areas where it struggles with context or nuanced scripts. If your content is highly specialized or needs a certain creative flair, it might take a little extra tweaking. But for general content creation, it works wonders. Another big plus is Minimax's scalability. Whether you're an individual creator or a marketing team handling multiple projects, this tool can grow with you. It's designed to streamline production while maintaining high-quality standards, making it a top choice for content-heavy industries. If you're on the fence about whether to dive into Minimax AI video generator, there's good news. You can try it completely free through the first link in the description. That way, you can test it out without any commitment and see if it fits your needs. As you explore Minimax, you'll find that it does a lot of the heavy lifting for you, but it's still a good idea to put your own spin on the videos. With a bit of creativity, you can make the generated videos even more engaging by adding your personal touch. I've tried and tested thousands of AI tools, and I've made it a point to include only the best ones in the description below. So, if Minimax AI video generator isn't exactly what you're looking for, there's a curated list of top AI software you can try for free, based on my extensive experience. If you're ready to take your video production to the next level and want to explore more AI tools that will save you time and effort, check out the links below. Don't miss out on the future of content creation.